I found abandoned S-Class. Hello guys, last night I started fixing my panoramic roof. That is common problem on Mercedes-Benz, and this is how it looks like. I tried to fix it last night, but I must use a bit more time until I fix that, but I will make a video about that soon. So, as I said, I found S-Class, abandoned S-Class. Today we will try to turn the engine on after a couple years, I think 3 or 4 years. It's in pretty well condition, but registration here for that car, because it's 3.2 liter diesel engine, it's pretty much. So if you like this and won't see what is going on with that car, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on, so you can see that when I finish the video and the process. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye.